Hello friends, welcome to GK EduZone. Who is called as father of Green Revolution in India? Dr. M.S. Shaminathan. The process of curd production from milk is known as fermentation. Project Tiger was started in India in which year? In 1973. Which is called powerhouse of the cell? Mitochondria. Which is the lowest layer of our atmosphere? Troposphere. Kuduk is a language of the people of which state? Jharkhand. World Water Day is celebrated on 22 March. World Forestry Day is celebrated on 21st March. Chipko movement was strengthened under the leadership of Sundarlal Bahuguna. The Valley of Flowers is located in Uttarakhand. The headquarters of Greenpeace International is located in Amsterdam. Gir Lion project is situated in Gujarat. Which part of atmosphere blocks ultraviolet rays of light to reach Earth's surface? Stratosphere. Which instrument is used to record intensity of earthquake? Seismograph. Which planet is nearest to the Sun? Mercury. Who discovered the blood group in human being? Carl Landsteiner. How much percentage of nitrogen consists in Earth's atmosphere? 78%. The Jim Corbett National Park is located in Uttarakhand. Tehri Dam is located in Uttarakhand. Desert oak tree is found in which country? Australia. High fever with shiver which can be treated with the bark of cinchona tree is malaria. Which bird species moves its neck back and forth with a jerk? Myna. In which city the mountains of sand called sand dunes are found? In Abu Dhabi. Chirau is the dance form of the people of Mizoram. National Defense Academy is located at Pune. Who built the Golconda Fort? Kakatiya dynasty. Which is the largest solar power project in India? Kamuti Solar Power Project, Tamil Nadu. An object in which no light rays can pass through is called opaque. What is the full form of Bala? Building as learning aid. Which region has the practice of shifting cultivation in India? Northeastern region. First Tirthankar of Jain Dharma. Rishabhnath. Which gas is responsible for turning Taj Mahal yellow? Sulfur dioxide. Dyslexia is associated mainly with difficulties in reading. Mount Everest is a part of which country? China. Name the international treaty designed to protect the ozone layer from chlorofluorocarbons. Montreal Protocol. Who coined the term ecology? Ernst Haeckel. In which city the National Biodiversity Authority is located? In Chennai. In an ecosystem, bacteria are the decomposers. National Forest Policy commenced in the year 1952. FAO stands for Food and Agriculture Organization. World Environment Day is observed on June 5th. Where is Wildlife Institute of India located? In Dehradun. The organisms which fed on the waste products are called detrivores. Plants are green due to the presence of which pigment? Chlorophyll. Biosphere Reserve project was initiated in India during 1986. Full form of CNG. Compressed natural gas. Animals who are awake at night see objects in which color? Black and white. Which place in our country is a cold desert? Ladakh. Bronze is a mixture of two metals. These are copper and tin. In which layer of atmosphere ozone layer is found? In stratosphere. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो लाइक और शेयर कीजिए और चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू।